I expect that the rate should come down to maybe 1,300 to 1,400 naira before the end of the year. And this is something that, we should all celebrate. So, again, if I may add, you have seen that the CBN, is doing quite a lot, and businesses today do not actually need, foreign exchange from the Central Bank of Nigeria. The reliance or, need for foreign exchange from the central bank has virtually disappeared. So, and of course, we also know that, companies and businesses alike are are able to get FX abroad using their ATM and credit cards. These are all positives. So really, for all of this, we must give full credit to His Excellency and the government. There are bold reforms and decisive policies creating the foundation for a stronger economy, a more stable currency, and a better future for businesses and Nigerians alike.
Indeed, I know you can go on and on about what the president has done regarding the economy, and you mentioned what BUA company was able to do regarding the reduction in the price of rice. Now, this time, what is BUA doing? Nigerians are still waiting to see other commodities come down. So what is BUA food doing?
Yes, it's exactly what I just said. If you look at the prices of food items last year and what we have today, you see that there is a significant reduction in all the, commodities, prices of food items. So I think we just need to be a bit more patient. Clearly things are getting better, and we must continue to support the government. And we owe this progress, to the vision and leadership of His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Thank you. Thank you.